TMC MP Sagarika Ghosh joins us now. Thank you, ma'am, for joining us on this broadcast. The government doesn't seem to have clearly said a no when it comes to a discussion on SIR. They say that a larger discussion on the issue of electoral reforms is possible because it falls in the ambit of policy making, something that the government is entrusted with. Why is the TMC specifically, and a lot of opposition parties, although I think that the Congress party is not really pushing for SIR so much as the TMC, why are certain parties so insistent on starting the winter session of the parliament with a discussion on SIR?
Vasudha, I think just quickly to correct you, I think all opposition parties are completely united in the demand for a discussion on electoral reforms and the need to strengthen the integrity and transparency of our electoral process. That's point number one. Now, coming to the substance of the issue, in a parliamentary democracy, Vasudha, Parliament is supreme. Now, the argument that the Election Commission cannot be discussed in Parliament is erroneous because a free and fair poll is at the very heart of parliamentary democracy, and free and fair poll is part of the basic structure of the Constitution. Legitimacy in a democracy flows from a free and fair poll, and the sanctity and integrity of the electoral roll concerns the citizen, concerns the voter, and Parliament is the forum, is the representative of the voter. We are the representative of the people. And Parliament is supreme in a parliamentary democracy. Therefore, the argument that the Election Commission cannot be discussed or is above parliamentary scrutiny is, in my view, erroneous. That's point number one. That's the constitutional issue. Now, the second issue, Vasudha, is a human issue. What we are looking at is a human tragedy. 55 lives have been affected by the SIR. I'll give you the latest figure. 39 are dead in Bengal. There have been 3 suicide attempts. 13 people are serious. This takes the impact of the SIR to 55. Now, this is a colossal human tragedy. The BLOs are committing suicide. BLOs are under tremendous pressure. The Election Commission has blood on its hands. And the fact is, this colossal human tragedy is taking place at a time when Parliament is in session and Parliament cannot keep silent. How can we keep silent on this colossal human tragedy? Now, the fact is, what we are saying is that this matter is an urgent issue. It is imperative that Parliament discusses it. The fact is, the BJP, which is so quick to always defend the Election Commission, if the BJP has nothing to hide, why doesn't it want a discussion? The fact is that the BAC yesterday, there was the Business Advisory Committee yesterday. The assurance was given that by 9 p.m. yesterday, they would tell us the timeline for the debate. Today in Parliament, we saw that the government was hedging. It tried to suggest that the opposition was divided. It tried to say that, not all opposition parties are on board. We will let you know when the discussion will take place. Why? This is not an opposition issue, Vasudha. This is an issue of every political party. It concerns a free and fair poll. It concerns the sanctity of the electoral roll. Every party should be invested in discussing this issue.
Ma'am, as you make that point emphatically, Veera Raghav here, will there be a united opposition and coordinated protests on this issue? For instance, if the Congress takes the lead tomorrow, will the Trinamool join in and back it out?
Veera Raghav, the opposition is completely united on this issue. There is no division within the opposition, contrary to what the government is trying to suggest. We are saying, call it what you want. You want to call it a discussion on electoral reform. You want to call it a discussion on the sanctity of the electoral process. 14 opposition parties unitedly are calling for a discussion on the SIR. Now, you see, Veera Raghav, the government has to recognize that, in Parliament, the opposition has to be given its time and space. You can't come to Parliament and treat it like a notice board and saying, I will only discuss what I want to discuss. Only my issues will be discussed. Whatever the opposition wants cannot be discussed. That is not Parliament. That is not the parliamentary democracy. Parliament is the home of the opposition. The opposition works in Parliament. In a parliamentary democracy, the opposition is supreme in Parliament. And what is the mandate of 2024, Veera Raghav? The BJP is not a majority government. It's got 240 seats. Opposition and alliance has got 234 seats. The mandate is for a strong opposition. So you cannot bulldoze the opposition in Parliament. You cannot just come to Parliament and say, we will discuss only what we want to discuss.
You're making a very, very strong point there. You've also made the clear point that there is an atmosphere of mistrust with the government. But I want to bring a larger issue here. How do you respond to the accusation as far as the SIR is concerned, whether it is the DMK, TMC or the left, given the grassroots strength of these parties and that they run the state governments, they are in a firm position to ensure fairness and transparency. In fact, they are scared of the SIR because they benefit from manipulated electoral rolls in those states. How would you respond to that accusation?
What about the colossal human tragedy, Veera Raghav? The fact is, we are not against the SIR. We are certainly not against the SIR. We are certainly saying, yes, SIRs have happened before, they must happen again. But you have to have national timelines. You cannot put these impossible deadlines on the BLOs where you have to match people's names physically, mind you, to the electoral roll of 2002. They have to go through reams of documents to find matches for the 2002 roll. Then they have to upload it on the app. And the app is faulty. They are being pressurized in a horrendous manner. They are under tremendous strain, and therefore they are not being able to cope. And citizens are panic-stricken. You have created this terror of documents. Bring this document, bring that document, bring your mother's birth certificate, your father's birth certificate. People are not able to find it. The common public are not able to find these documents. So what we are saying is, certainly please have an SIR. But please be rational about the timelines. Don't hurry it. Don't put this kind of impossible deadlines. Don't put pressure on the BLOs. These are human beings. Let us rationalize the timelines and then continue with the SIR. Why was the SIR of 2002, 2003 not such a problem? Why were people not taking their lives in 2002, 2003? Why is it happening now? So this colossal human tragedy that is unfolding before our eyes, Parliament cannot stay silent.
Okay. Sagarika ma'am, before I let you go, there's also another issue that the government wants to discuss, and this is the 150th year of Vande Mataram, and they want to also talk about Bengali nationalism, and of course Bengal elections are coming up. How is the TMC looking at this? What would your position be?
We are extremely happy to discuss the 150 years of Vande Mataram. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay is a great son of Bengal. He's an icon of our Bengal culture. We are certainly very happy to have a discussion on this issue. But the point is, what is the priority here? The priority at the moment are the lives that are being lost in this SIR exercise. Human life is being lost. Why can't the government understand this? Voters are being pushed into a panic situation. BLOs are frantic. They're wrestling with anxiety, and not just in Bengal, across India. So why is the government not recognizing the urgency and human suffering that is taking place because of this SIR exercise, which is why we're saying, please continue with your scheduled discussions, whatever you want to discuss. The opposition wants the House to run. We want the House to function. Of course, we want to participate in discussions. But why can we not have this discussion at the very start on the SIR process? There is every political party should be invested in this process. Let us have this discussion, and then certainly we can move on to the government's legislative agenda.